Okay, so right now we just come arrive at the workplace and then we see Mr. what? Mr. Deer that we call short dog. But it's not short. Look at him. Deer? See? Yeah. Mr. Deer. You hungry, right? Early in the morning. Sorry, I didn't have breakfast yet. I don't have for myself also. You're gonna be alright. So as I know many dogs name, you know why? Because I love the dog also. Like I told you, sometimes I see many dogs in public, I just take a short stop and then take some video for everyone to see it, okay? Yes. How you doing, dear? How you doing? Look at his face. Look at his face. Oh, look like you're tired or you sad, huh? Lovely boy. Mr. Deer. He's a good dog. You know, he have another extra leg, extra nail. I can tell you here. See? You see that one? You see the nail? Yes. Here. You see? Yeah. Extra nail. Extra finger. It's not finger but leg. Yes? How cool it is, right? The same as some people have extra fingers, right? Or missing finger. This pen depend, but this one extra. So there are 4 and 1, 2 more, but small one. He wonder why I take a shot. You're gonna be alright, dear. He tried to wash his body. See? Dear, you okay, dear? You okay, dear? Dear? Mr. Deer. Oh. That one. He doesn't want to reply. He doesn't talk much. I mean, he doesn't play much. Just sit like that every time when I come to work. Yes. Mr. Deer. Hey, Mr. Deer. Hey, you. You may be a bit noisy because I stay closer the constructor. Yeah. Now they turn on the engines. You can hear the sound. Dun, dun, dun. And Mr. Deer mostly he come here to check some food because after Wow, thunder. It's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. Ah, big thunder. Oh my. You can hear that? Mr. Deer, you alright? Are you alright? Huh? Mr. Deer, are you alright? Yeah, sure. Oh, Mr. Deer. Oh, look at him. Look at him. Look like he's very sad. What? Last night he can't sleep or what? Mostly the dog in our country doesn't sleep well. You know why? Because they keep them as the security guard to protect them, the people or the strangers that come here. But you know, sometimes you might be annoys me to speak, right? Just keep watching. Come on, Mr. Hey, you. You alright, Mr. Deer? Look at his eye. Look at his eye. Look at his whole body. Look at his extra leg again. Oh, extra what? I'm not sure what we're gonna check. See? Extra nail. See? 1, 2 more, right? So mostly only 4 is the normal and 2 more is extra. What? Because of what? Why become like that? You have to ask the scientists. You have to ask who very expert on the dog, right? Thunder. Look at his tail. You okay? Okay, I know. Oh, look at his tail. You see his tail? See the tail? Okay, what's about the leg? You see the extra leg? See? How many legs? See? Yeah, don't touch it. Yes. Okay. Oh, it's okay.